Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today I'm going to be making a video of these parts that I basically bought last week. Now, of course, I'm talking about this battery tender right here and this Tackform phone holding mount. So I'm going to go right ahead and install it, and I have an idea of what I want to do now. So let's go right ahead and get started on this. So this is my 2007 Honda Shadow right here. So basically what I'm going to be doing is the battery tender I'm going to be installing right here. This connection right here that basically goes to the battery. And I'm still debating exactly where I want to put the phone mount. So I don't know if I want to do it here or if I just want to replace this watch that I have here and just put it here in the middle. So I'm gonna think about this a little bit more, but I'm probably thinking right here in the corner right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and install the tender. All right, so this is really plug and play. So you just go right ahead and connect this as such. And there we go. So that's all it is to it for the battery tender installation for this adapter. Okay, so I have the medium-sized one here, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. And slip this in there. Ah! Oh! Oh no! Oh, there it went. There went the medium one. You can see right here, it just snapped. So I'm just gonna I'll just leave it like that. That's fine. How the hell with it? It's just plastic. All right. Well, let's do that. Okay. This one looks like it's gonna hold on. Bottom one first. See if it's going in or what's happening. Yeah, it's going in. All right, so this one looks promising. It looks like it's gonna actually tighten up pretty good. All right, there it is. So I'm not gonna tighten it completely because I want to see exactly where I want it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and install the phone mount. Is it getting in there? Come on. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up. There we go. Okay, so there it is. So I'm not sure if I really want it right there, but I'll just try it out. Let's see if it works for me. I'll go ahead and tighten that up in a little bit. And there's the final product. So there it is, already tightened. And one of the things you can actually do is you can actually maneuver this however you want. So if you want it, there you go. So you can go right ahead and set it up this way. And yeah, this phone isn't going anywhere. So there we go. Just tighten it up and it's secured in with the sling and as well with the clamp. So I had this idea, like I mentioned earlier in the video, and now that I have this set up and I have, of course, this already connected, I want to, where did I leave it? I want to see if I can connect, or run, I should say, this USB charge cable. going from this charger, going through here, coming out over here in the back, and then having it available to connect to the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it, and let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. So here's my phone already connected. You can see right there. And here's basically the look in the back. Of course, I already zip tied everything. So here's the wire coming in. It's going underneath the tank, going underneath here. And one of the things that I had to do is I actually had to get a USB extender because the cable wasn't long enough. So as you can see, I already basically connected it, put some electrical tape, just so water doesn't get in there. And of course, did some zip tying as well for the excess cable for the extender. And here's the USB charger right here. So yeah, there we go. I'm liking the way it came out. I enjoyed. I was actually thinking of just moving it here in the middle, but I mean, why? You know, I just prefer it right here on the side. And if somebody calls me, I'll be able to see it. So yeah, overall, I'm liking this setup. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like always, we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and install the phone mount. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this bushing. Go ahead and slip this in there. Oh, by the way, there's an opening here, so go ahead and slips right in. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the clamp and get this screwed in. Let's see. Okay, so I got one side, let's go ahead and do the other. And actually, this bushing is not enough. I thought it was going to be enough, but no. So luckily, they do send out two more, which are these right here. So I'm going to probably try the medium-sized one and see if that's better.